In today's video, I am going to show you how you can recover your disabled Discord account. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If your Discord account has been disabled due to some reason and now you want to recover it, then what you have to do is to open your internet browser and in the search bar type discord.com/support. Click on search. Click on this Discord support option. At the top right corner, you will see this submit request option. So click on it. Click on the drop down and then select help and support. Okay, enter your Discord account email address here. Then click on this drop down and select technical support. Click on the second drop down and select the device on which you are using Discord. Then enter subject, type disabled account recovery. Now scroll down. In this description box, you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to provide all the details why your account was disabled. Once you have done that, click on submit, and after you click on submit, within the next 24 hours your disabled Discord account will be recovered. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.